Hi everyone, welcome to day 36 of ERD countdown series for NABARD grade A 2025 exam. Let's first see answers of day 35. पहला क्वेश्चन था the primary objective of post harvest management. So students, post harvest management क्या होता है? Once we harvest crop, we need to manage this crop in such a way that the shelf life of this crop increases. जो आपके fruits, vegetable, such crops are very perishable in nature and we need to store them for longer duration of time. And for that purpose we need to do post harvest management. तो जो objective है post harvest management का वो होता है reduce post harvest losses and maintain quality. Clear? Next question was ethylene play a key role in. So ethylene is a hormone that plays a key role in fruit ripening. ठीक है, तो आपने याद रखना है ethylene का रोल किस में होता है? फ्रूट राइपनिंग में. Next question was in cold storage fruits and vegetables are preserved mainly by. Okay, so students जो cold storage होता है जहाँ पे हम जो फ्रूट्स वेजिटेबल हैं इनको प्रिजर्व करके रखते हैं एंड दे आर प्रिजर्व थ्रू अ प्रिंसिपल बाय लोअरिंग द टेम्परेचर सो दैट जो रेस्पिरेशन रेट है ऑफ दीज फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल दैट गेट लोअर डाउन, दैट गेट स्लोड एंड दीज crop can be stored for longer duration of time. ठीक है, तो उनका रेस्पिरेशन रेट को बेसिकली हम कम कर देते हैं ताकि लंबे ड्यूरेशन तक ये क्रॉप स्टोर कर सकें. क्लियर? सो दैट वाज द आंसर्स ऑफ डे 35. लेट्स सी क्वेश्चंस ऑफ डे 36. First question is the process of sorting of produce. It will be the process of sorting of produce based on size, color and quality is known as. This is your PYQ. Okay, question पूछा गया है आपके एग्जाम में. Give me the answer after carefully reading all the options. Next question is the major factor influencing the shelf life of perishable commodity is. Your options are chlorophyll content, soil type, seed variety or altitude. Clear? Next question, coconut is often referred to as. So students, you have to learn some things like this also कि coconut को क्या कहते हैं, queen of vegetable या queen of flower या queen of fruits, king of fruits, ये सारी चीज़ें भी आपको याद रखनी है क्योंकि ऐसे पूछे गए हैं क्वेश्चन प्रीवियसली NABARD में. Clear? So that's all for this day 36. Thank you so much.